You moved your pictures around.
There. Just like down.
He did look at your pictures. Let's throw the sandwich away, okay?
Yeah.
It's all half eaten.
Yeah. He did eat the whole thing.
So what'd you get?
I know. Let's open this one first.
You're gonna-
Let's save that one for last. Let's get the other ones out of the way there, Cuddy.
You say hi to the camera.
And
Tell us what happened. What happened?
Say Merry Christmas.
he put Rudolph in there.
He did put Rudolph in there.
Because that was a train that Sarah could shoot at fruit in there.
Oh, and Rudolph was tired from all the flying.
I mean, this the fake Rudolph that was here.